Weather? Well, it's like Christmas. People like the snow. It's like a one-horse open sleigh, except for it has wheels.
I like the weather. I live in Florida, so this is good. Good times to have snow. Yes, absolutely. I won't throw at the camera.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
I won't throw at the camera.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Now that I don't have to live in it, I don't have to snow it, I don't have to shovel it, I don't have to drive in it. It's wonderful.
Absolutely, I enjoy it. Kids have a blast in it. People in New York love it. Stop. And my kids. That one up my nose. And that's it.
And you.